In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected so your meetings and webinar activity can flow into HubSpot, making it easier to keep contacts and activity in one place. Start in your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, head to the area where you discover apps and create dashboards. This takes you to HubSpot's library where you can search for integrations. It's a good idea to make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps and that you know which HubSpot portal you want to connect. In the search bar, type Zoom. You should see the Zoom integration appear in the results. If you manage multiple hubs or portals, double check that you're in the right one before proceeding. This will help you avoid installing it to the wrong workspace. Click the Zoom listing to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and any notes from the provider. Taking a moment to scan this page helps you understand what data will sync and what features you'll unlock in HubSpot. Click Install. HubSpot may ask you to confirm the account you want to connect. Choose the correct portal, then continue. At this stage, HubSpot will redirect you to Zoom so you can grant access securely. When you land on Zoom's sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. Use the Google account that's associated with your Zoom license for the smoothest setup. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication or single sign-on, complete those prompts as usual. After signing in, review the authorization screen and approve the permissions. This step allows HubSpot and Zoom to communicate and keeps your data flowing properly. Once authorization is complete, you'll be sent back to HubSpot with a confirmation that Zoom is successfully integrated. You should now see Zoom listed under your connected apps. A quick way to verify everything is working is to refresh your HubSpot page and confirm the Zoom connection shows as active. From here, you can start scheduling Zoom meetings from HubSpot and expect relevant activity to log on contact and company records. That's it. The integration is live. If you run into access issues, make sure you have the right permissions in both HubSpot and Zoom and that you're signed into the correct accounts. Otherwise, you're ready to streamline scheduling and tracking by using Zoom directly inside HubSpot. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly connected workflow.